Hello, Sir Romel. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, to sir, testing natin, sir, yung order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Custom or 4 Series Silver Slide. Okay? Yan, sir. Okay, so, ayan. Ibabaw. Okay? So, to magazine. Tapos, ito yung beaver tail na may kasamang pin. Okay, so basically, everything is complete. Ngayon, testingin natin ang kanyang FPS. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. FPS natin. Okay. So, ito, sir. 373.1. 367.6. 360.2. 359.7. And 358.6. Okay? So, yan, sir. So, naubos yung bala. Remove the magazine. Pull back the slide. Para bumaba yung slide lock. Release. Hammer down. Okay? So, ayun, sir. Okay na yung unit. So, papako na to at mapaship ko na sa inyo tomorrow. Okay? So, ayun, sir. Thank you again for your order. And until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.